Unlocking the secrets of genetic engineering. Ever wondered how scientists can change the very blueprint of life? Let's dive into the fascinating world of genetic engineering and uncover its secrets. Genetic engineering, also known as genetic modification, is a powerful set of technologies used to alter the genetic makeup of cells, including the transfer of genes across species boundaries to produce improved or novel organisms. Think of it as editing the instruction manual of life. This process involves manipulating an organism's genes to introduce new traits or enhance existing ones. It's like adding a new chapter to a book or rewriting a sentence to change its meaning. The process typically involves several key steps. First, scientists identify the gene they want to modify or introduce. This gene could code for a specific protein or trait. Next, they isolate the desired gene from its original source. This often involves using enzymes that act like molecular scissors to cut the DNA at specific locations. Then, the isolated gene is inserted into a vector, which acts as a delivery vehicle. Common vectors include plasmids, small circular DNA molecules, or viruses. Finally, the vector carrying the new gene is introduced into the target organism. Once inside, the new gene integrates into the organism's DNA, potentially altering its characteristics. Genetic engineering has a wide range of applications. In agriculture, it's used to create crops that are resistant to pests, herbicides, or harsh environmental conditions. In medicine, it's used to produce life-saving drugs, develop gene therapies for genetic disorders, and create diagnostic tools. It also plays a crucial role in research, helping us understand the function of genes and the mechanisms of disease. While genetic engineering holds immense promise, it also raises ethical concerns. These concerns include the potential for unintended consequences, the safety of genetically modified organisms, and the equitable access to these technologies. It's important to consider these issues as the field continues to advance. Ready to explore more about the amazing world of science? Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, leave a comment below with your questions about genetic engineering, and share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge.